So I'm introducing the tools we'll need. This is a scissors for your fabric, then a paper scissors, a tape rule. This comes in inches and this comes in centimeters as well. This is 60 inches long ruler, and it's also 150 centimeters long, but we usually use the inches side. Then we have our tailor's chalk. I picked color yellow because I like yellow. There are different colors. This is to mark your measurements on your fabric. Then you have your ruler. This is a medium length ruler. I also have a longer one. This is a 1 meter long ruler in case I need to measure out lengths, maybe like a dress or a long skirt. Then I also have my French curve. This is to draw out my curves so that it's not too angular. So this makes it easy. Maybe I need to draw out my armhole or the hip side whereby it's too triangular. So I just use this curve. You can get all those ones for Introtech too as well. Those workshops. Then I also have my stationaries. I have my pencil, my pen. I have this brush. I usually use it to clean out my sewing machine when my hands can't reach. I just use it to dust off things. Then I have my book. Here I illustrate in it. I write out my list. I just use different things inside. I use it to plan and stuff like that. So it's very important to have. So here also I have my magnet. On my magnet I have my razor blade for me to use my clothes. I have my pin for me to pin down my fabric or paper. I have my sewing needle in case I need to sew with my hands. Then I also have a safety pin. I use it very often. Then lastly I have my seam ripper. So I just use my magnet whenever I'm working. I put them on my magnet so that it doesn't get missing. Most especially pins because they are small, so they can easily get missing. Then I have my thread, paper tape, pattern paper or brown paper as you may like to call it. Then other things that I might need are my elastic. This is a 1-inch elastic. This is a smaller version depending on what I want to do, so I can pick any one of them. Then I also have a chopstick. I use this chopstick whenever I want to straighten out an edge. Maybe I have a square edge and I want to straighten it out to look sharp. I use my chopstick because this is blunt, so it's very easy to use. Then I also have my zip. Then obviously you need your fabric. Then you also need your sewing machine. You can use any type of sewing machine, a manual one, or an industrial one, an electric one, whatever form of sewing machine you have. Then you also need an iron. An iron is very important because as you sew, you must iron. You must iron. Ironing makes the difference between a neat cloth and a tight cloth. And lastly, you also need a table. You can also use the floor if you don't have a table for now, but the floor will make you tired because of all the bending, being on your knees and stuff like that. Although floor gives you more space if you don't have space, but a table is just